In a small village, there lived a young boy named John. His parents had raised him with the values of kindness and helping others. John was always ready to assist the people of his village, which made him beloved by everyone. One day, an old man named Harold arrived in the village. Harold was very sick and weak, with no means to feed himself. John saw Harold and immediately decided to help him. He brought Harold to his home and did everything he could to take care of him. Harold, touched by John's help and kindness, said, "I want to give you something in return for your good deeds." Harold told John about a magical tree that was located in the forest outside the village. "This tree helps anyone who has a pure heart," Harold explained. John took Harold's words seriously and set out towards the forest. After some time, John found the magical tree. Under the tree was a golden fruit. John picked up the fruit and said to the tree, "I want to use this fruit to help the people of my village." Seeing John's pure intentions, the tree gave John countless golden fruits. John distributed these fruits among the villagers and helped everyone. The villagers were very happy and appreciated John's good deeds. John's story taught the villagers that true kindness and helping others not only bring peace to one's heart, but also bring rewards. John proved that good deeds done with a pure heart never go unrewarded. John's kindness not only made his village prosperous, but also filled his own life with happiness.